Today is April 15, 2024. We're looking at SPY. Today SPY had a big sell-off. At first, it gapped up about 5 points. And then it hit resistance, 5-day, 20-day moving average daily resistance. And it came down to fill it. And then also broke below 50-day moving average. Looks like, with a strong close like this, looks like it's going to fill the gap below at the 500 level. But be exact, should be 597. Yes, somewhere around there. So that's a big gap here. It's already getting the bottom of the previous gap, the bar, this one. So it's possible tomorrow it will fill this gap. Let's see. Let's look at a smaller time frame for today. For smaller time frame, for if you know how to use a 1 minute, 2 minute chart, you can profit easily. Look at the 50 moving average across 200 moving average. So for the get up, I would say most of the traders missed it, but for the downside, a lot of put options, a lot of short order. Look at it. So lots of opportunity to short today. If you look at 1 minute chart, you form a triangle. This is a triangle pattern. When it breaks, it sell off. Again, another one here. There's another channel. It breaks and it sell off. So lots of sell opportunities today. So for tomorrow, it's already, we have now tomorrow the 50-day moving average is a strong resistance now with a gap below. Will the gap be filled tomorrow? Let's see. And also, but look at 30-minute chart here. You have to watch out. Since it's sort of like forming a downward channel, there might be a bounce up tomorrow. If it doesn't gap down, if it gaps down, then probably fill the gap tomorrow morning. If it doesn't, it might go up first and then take it down to fill the gap. So probably two scenario. The first scenario tomorrow, if gap down, probably will stay here, wait till after Fed Powell talks. Then the market will decide either go up or down. If tomorrow if tomorrow gap up first, then you have to look for resistance. Probably will fill the gap. But for the 30-minute chart here, looks like look at this channel here. Looks like it wants to go sideways. Wants to go sideways or retrace a little bit before drop. But you look at retracement here on the 30-minute chart. It's 38% retracement is 508, which is also on the daily chart, the 5-day moving average. I would say probably tomorrow 5-day moving average is either 508 or 509. The 5-day will cross 50-day moving average tomorrow. So we will see. So 509 should be a strong resistance. And also we got 50-day, 5-day moving average and 20-day moving average. Lots of resistance up there. I don't think it's that easy to turn around. But one interesting thing is every time we have a sell-off, with a big sell-off, like today we have how many points? We have 11 points on SPY. That's a lot. Every time we have big sell off, what happens next day? No follow through. Didn't even test the bottom. Didn't test the low of the previous bar. Like this one. You see it? I think I showed it in the past, so you can look at it. This one, and even this one is a, I wouldn't call it sell off. Let's see. This one, this bar, sell off, no follow through. This one, sell off, no follow through. This one, sell off, no follow through. And this one, sell off, no follow through. And this one, sell off, no follow through. It didn't. The bottom or the low didn't get tested. So tomorrow interest will be interesting to see this one. And also let's look at the Bollinger Band. See what happened. I see something very interesting. Look at the Bollinger Band. It traded. It closed below the lower band of Bollinger Bands. That's another oversold signal. I'm not saying it won't continue to over, sold. It might pause, take a break, or maybe sideways a little bit before go lower. But for now, I see a little bit oversold. So we will see. So tomorrow we'll wait. Hopefully this gap will be filled. This green trend line, this gap will be filled. It will be nice, to go down in the morning. And then this one we'll see. Let's see, it will become a support. And then for entry, look for 1 minute or two, using 2 minute chart, because every day happens every day, right? 50 moving average will cross 200. Take this opportunity to use it for your entry, and look for the 5-day moving average. It should be a resistance. Let's see if the 5-day moving average will be tested, and also the gap here, see it will be filled or not. One more important thing is, if the gap is not filled, then how about this bar here? Will we get follow through on this sell off bar, the long candlestick bar here? Look for it. If no follow through, then there might be a bounce for a couple days, taking a break, a pause, whatever you call it, before going down. So far, it's still lower low, lower high. It hasn't changed the trend yet, so follow the trend. Lower low, lower high. And look at 30 minutes. It was already broke this downward channel. Now create another one. So this one, so it might turn around if it happens. Now we're looking at the ES, the E-mini, the futures, S&P 500. Yeah, just like the SPY, today the ES has sell off. It's a huge drop. The range is 120 points. It's quite unusual, but it happens once in a while. 120 points today. It's a huge drop. And also look at the ES. There's a little small gap, just like the SPY. Right here should be 50, 60 level. Right, this one, the green trend line. There's a little small gap. It's very unusual, to have ES, the E-mini, the futures have a gap. So this one seems like it has to be filled, just a matter of time. Again, look for follow through tomorrow. Let's see, this part will have a follow through, or keep going down, keep falling. If a follow through, that means it takes about 1 or 2 days. Bounce. No, if no follow through, it will probably have a bounce up there, test the 5-day moving average, even 50-day moving average higher before any drop. But now I can see 5-day, 50-day, even 20-day moving average, big resistance. I don't think that easy to go above it. And also tomorrow we have Fed Powell speech, so Fed Powell speech will be very important to us. And look at 240 minute finish. I think I mentioned this before. 50 moving average cross 200. Finally 50 moving average cross 200 moving average on 240 minute. So this one's finished. Look at the Dow Jones. The Dow Jones is an interesting chart. It's forming a falling wedge. You look at the daily chart. This either for the Dow, either go further down or bounce. So just be careful. Look for it's going to be a big move, at least 80 points move, either tomorrow or Wednesday. Again, for the ES, you will look at the Bollinger Band. This is second day trading lower band, the lower band of Bollinger Bands. That means it was in the oversold area. But wait, it could continue for a few more days like this or sideways. Let's see. So you will feel the gap like on the SPY. Don't be so bearish. Once the gap fill, don't be so bearish. Wait and see what the market can give us. So good luck. Thank you for watching this video. Bye.